channel. My name's Betsy, and if you have seen this video in Spanish, it's because now I am doing an English video on this product. Today I will be talking about a couple of pair of contact lenses I got sent all the way from Mexico City. Yes, so the company Elite Natural Glamour Lenses sent me 4 pair of contact lenses to review, check out, and try out. So today I want to talk to you guys about how these contacts feel, look, and a little bit more. So let's get started. So Elite Natural Glamour Lenses sent me 4 pair of contact lenses. They come on this bag like this, and they come on this box like this. It says Elite Natural Glamour Lenses, a diamond right here. Super cute, elegant black box with a diamond. Let me show you an open one so you can see how they come. When you open the box, it has a brochure of Elite Natural Glamour Lenses with instructions, and this is what comes in the box. Each contact is shipped individually and sterilized. These contact lenses last for a year. So currently I am wearing the Zircon contact lenses color. They're like grayish. I don't know what you can distinguish through the camera. Let me focus the camera so you can see how they look in artificial light. They also adapt to your own eye color, which that's amazing because every color will look different on every person depending on their eye color. So let me show you some clips on how these contact lenses look on me with daylight. So on this clip you can see my natural eye color, which is dark brown, and on this second clip you can see that I'm wearing only one contact lens, and in the other I am not wearing anything. And on the third clip, you can see that I'm wearing both contact lenses, and this is how they look on daylight. They look pretty amazing. I love how they look. This is actually one of my favorite colors yet. All of these contacts feel so comfortable. They're super thin. They are very easy to apply. Something I didn't like about these contact lenses is that they don't provide you with a case to store your contact lenses. So you have to keep in mind when you receive your contact lenses, you have to have a case at home, or you're gonna have to go and purchase one on your own. For $65, and for them not to provide the case, it's pretty not cool. But hopefully in the future they will be incorporating at least the case, so you are good to go as soon as you get them. But other than that, these contacts are amazing. I will leave all their information linked down below on the description box so you can go check them out. And if you have any question, comment, or concern about these contact lenses, go ahead and leave them down below on the comment section. And that is it for me. Thank you all for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any of my future videos. I do English and Spanish. Oh, and one more thing, I will also link videos to previously reviews of other colors I have done for Elite Natural Glamour lenses, like Amber, Tanzanite. So if you want to see how those look on me, just go ahead and check out my other videos. So stay tuned for next week because I will be reviewing another color and you might be interested. I will see you guys later. Don't forget that I love you guys very much.